Let's start. Fifth program. Write a program Python code to find the number of lines, number of words and number of characters in a text file. So first we have to create a text file with few words, few lines and including some characters. Here they told to calculate number of lines, number of words and number of characters in a text file. So text file should contain many lines, many words and with several characters. So here I have saved, that means initialized and stored text in a text variable. Example, if you include the text inside a triple quote, then it will be considered as a multi-line text. Now what I did is line 1 \n, that means line terminator, content will move to next line. Line 2 then 1 \n, that is also used to terminate a line. Actually this one can be written like this also. By removing \n I can write. Now this is also considered as a 3-line text. Why I used \n means here the count of lines you are getting 3 lines, and 2 times you pressed enter, the new line also a character, \n also a considered as a 1 character. To avoid confusion, how you got 2 more extra characters? In count of characters you are getting 2 more extra characters because there is 2 enters. 2 enters means that is \n character, new character, that is also considered as a character. To clearly define that character I used in single line text, but separation by \n. 2 \n's are used, new line characters, so number of character count includes that 2 numbers also. Okay, now the text is having this text, then I am going to create object of a file f, then open, then file name here I used in file.txt because we are going to create a text file. So I am going to give file name is file, the extension dot text, that will create a text file. Okay, then I am going to write the content to a text file, so I should open the file in a W mode because write mode. Then I am going to write whatever it is there in the text variable contents to the file object f.write text. This text will be returned to a file. Then f.close, you know that if you write f.close, the file will be saved in a hard disk, physical disk. Okay, this much you understood, I think. Okay, next what they told is whatever content is there in text file, you should read it once again, then count the number of lines, number of words and number of characters in it. Again, after creating text, we are going to open the text in read mode. Actually f is equal to open this file name. What file name we give during creation of file, the same file name we have to use. Here I didn't use any mode because the default mode is itself, it is reading mode, otherwise we can type R mode. Okay, instead of using R mode we can avoid it, that is by default opening in a reading mode. Then what I did is whatever content are there in a text file, we return this content to a text file. Again I am going to create a variable to hold content of text. The file content will be stored in f text, file text, like that. Instead of using the same variable text, I used file text. Whatever contents are there in file, it will be stored in file text, f text. We can use the same variable also. I am going to use different variable. Read the content from this file.text, and store it in f text. Then we are going to calculate the things whatever they mentioned in a question, number of lines. Now I am going to calculate lines is equal to, this is a variable to hold the number of lines, len f text dot split \n. Wherever \n is encountered here, that will be split using this one, and it will count the len of number of lines. Suppose 2 enters are there, means automatically there will be 3 lines. Okay, then words, here they told number of words to calculate. So here words we have to calculate len of f text split. Okay, automatically it will split based on the \n or space. Okay, here I didn't use any space, so it will take \n as a splitting object. Then it will count the number of words also. Then character, however, you know the len of f text, len of this, it will count everything including \n character also. Then it will give the text. Then you should print the output. Print number of lines, that is stored in lines. Print the number of words, that is stored in words variable. Print number of character, that is stored in a character variable. Then finally file has been opened, that must be closed at the end. Now we can execute and check the program. This program I have saved by using program5.py. okay, the program name is program5.py, Python file. The text file name is file.txt. If I execute this program, it will generate the output. Okay, number of lines are 3 lines, number of words are 3 words, number of characters are 17. Okay, in this 17, normally we are having characters, we can count and see. Normal characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But these two \n and \n will be considered as 2 characters, that is new line characters. That's why we are getting 17 output. Instead of 15, it is giving 17. One more thing we have to observe over here, the file creation. Actually this file has been stored in desktop Python folder. Inside this you observe program 5 Python file is there. In the same location one more file is created, that's the name with the name with the name file.txt. okay, here extension is not visible, so file is there. I can open this file in any text editor. I opened it in a notepad. See, content is line 1, line 2, line 3. In Python program we told \n. While writing to the file, this \n encountered as a enter. So this is separated line 1, line 2, line 3. So this file has been created physically in our hard disk. Then we are going to read the same. Where you stored your Python program, in the same location, in the same folder, this file will be created. Please observe this one, students. Go to that folder and open your file. Manually you can open and read the content, because that is a text file which will be created in the same location. So you can check by changing the content also. You keep space instead of \n, then you execute and observe the content or output. Now see, number of line it is giving only 1, number of words separated by space is 3, number of character it is taking 17 because we used 2 space in our program. Now instead of using 2 space, I am going to press enter. Now the output will be different. Again going to execute this program. See, first whatever we got output, the same output we are getting. Instead of using \n, manually I pressed enter, the output will be same. Okay, but you will get confusion how you got 17. Characters are 15, how you got 17. The characters, 2 \n character it is going to take. Thank you. We will move to next program.